Hey, can you give Mom a kissy? Looky, give Mom. Oh, so cute. That's a good kissy, boy. Mama's gonna kill your brother. Give me a kissy. Hold on, give me a kissy. Ethan. Ethan. Ethan William, look at Mama. Ethan, stop watching TV. Look at your mama. Boo. Hey, give me a kiss. Boo. Ethan.
See you later. Next time.
I guess I'm gonna have to turn the TV off. Ethan. Look at Mama. Ethan William. Hey. Yoo-hoo. Oh, did I turn your show off? Give me a kiss. I'll turn it back on. It's like I already gave you a kiss. Okay.
Can I have some toast?
Can you have a kissy?
Can I have some toast?
Give Mom a kissy.
Okay, I'm taking those again.
Ethan. Boo. Hey, look, Ethan. Come here. Ah. Ethan. Oh, Lord, there's Moose. He's never going to look at me now.
Well, he never will look at you.
Ethan.
He's always interested in his cartoon.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, I see you.
You can't have the camera. Here he is. Can I have a kiss? Okay, bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Like, give me the camera, Mom.